So I'm gonna talk to you guys about my eyelash extensions. Can you see that? Yes, I love it so far. It's the best set I've ever gotten. Granted, I didn't go to the same person I always go to. I went to a different lady just because she looked like she had some good reviews, and her pictures on Instagram looked really good, so that's where I went. And so it's a little bit more expensive. I'll put the price in the down bar than I usually go, but it's called like the volume set. I don't know if you guys can tell. So it's a combination of long and short curls, not curls, lashes that they use, and I really love it. It looks really good. It looks like I'm wearing, you know, my false lashes that I always wear, which are very long and voluminous, and when I go like this, I can feel my eyebrows, like I can touch them. So I really like that. So pros is you don't really have to do your eyes, at least I don't think you do. You can still do eyeliner, you know, eyeshadow. I feel like it's not necessary, so it definitely cuts down my getting ready time. Another pro is that you just look good waking up, so that's another pro for me. And just like the way it looks, like, come on guys, it looks really good. A con is the price. It's definitely pricey. Another con is I personally like to rub my eyes, and with these, even though you don't feel them, when you start rubbing them, you definitely feel them. Yeah, baby, you want to say hi? Say hi. Hi. No. Okay, so you can definitely feel them when you start rubbing them. Yep. And you also need to keep in mind the way you sleep. You can't sleep on your face. Yep. You can't really sleep all the way on the side because you start balding on like the corners. And I say you'd have to be cautious and mindful when you shower. So if you're like me, that you like to wash your face in the shower while you're showering, then you need to be mindful of that, because it starts to like fall down and you just have to dry them individually. You can even like blow dry them if you really want. So because I do have these on, I wash my face outside the shower to just prevent the whole extra step of drying them. Another thing is when you're wearing eye makeup, which I don't with these on. When you're wearing eye makeup, you need to use oil-free products when you're removing them. So that's just another thing to keep in mind. But honestly, I love them. I don't get them often. I don't get the refills. I just get them one time and that's it. So maybe that's why I feel like the first time is a little bit more costly, because I think it's $50 for a refill, and that's like 2 weeks. So I only get them one time because this weekend we're going to the mountains and I don't really want to worry about doing my makeup, so I just got them done. So that's my thoughts on eyelash extensions. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Thanks guys. Bye.